everyone. Just wanted to do a quick update on our Japanese Zen garden that Nicole and I worked on this summer. This is following up the first video. If you haven't seen it, we did a time-lapse video of putting this whole thing together from scratch. We added a few pieces and I thought it would be fun to do a little follow-up update video. Hope you enjoy it, and give me a thumbs up, or if you want to subscribe, that'll help the channel a lot. So hope you enjoy some of the video. I'll explain a little bit going forward what we did. This is one of our new additions to the garden. The red Japanese bridge is very common in a Zen garden. It signifies the transition from our world to either nature or to the afterlife. We wound up ordering it online, and it came like this in a lot of different pieces, but we wound up putting it together and kind of got a feel for it before we screwed it all together. We liked the size of it. It supported all of us pretty well as we walked across it, and I wound up taking it back apart and painting it red each piece, and then screwed it together. The tops of those posts are black in a lot of the bridges, but I got overruled by my project managers, and so we painted those red instead. Liked the look of that rather than the black on top. But it really added a lot of color to the garden. We have some new additions besides that. We put in a walkway on each side so that people wouldn't be walking across the rake stone of the garden. And as you can see, it adds a nice visual element to it, so they can cross from either the one side with the bridge or the other side across the stones. You'll see all the mosses that we've been developing, we've been planting, and they've been growing. It's been wonderful to see that they're producing lots of spores, and they're just spreading. And so since we did our first project, it's really greened out a ton, and it's continuing to grow. So it's very pretty. When we were over in Japan, many of the gardens we saw were just filled with beautiful mosses of different kinds, and so we've been watering that every day, really keeping it well. That Japanese maple there will turn red soon as we approach fall. Here's the way we kind of raked the garden. You'll see we did around the stones and the pathway stones, we did that kind of raking pattern. Those three rocks are very symbolic in Zen gardens. You'll always see one big guy and then two ones around it. So this is the river, and as you can see, they have that impression of the waves coming off of each one, and then the river actually goes and continues underneath the bridge. It's really beautiful at night. We installed some very nice lighting all around, and it really comes off great at night. This whole project was been a pandemic project for my daughter Nicole and myself, and it was really a lot of fun. We had a great time with it, and we're continuing to add to it. She has a side garden that she's produced over near our shed that has some bamboo and some rock sculptures, and we're continuing to add to it. So we'll probably do another update later on as we get closer to the fall and all the colors come out. So I hope you enjoyed this. Just remember to click like down below and subscribe if you would. It will really help our channel. Thanks so much for checking it out. We hope you enjoyed it.